totally classified.
Welcome back, everyone. Crypto Patrick here. I hope you guys are all doing awesome out there. Thank you for watching. Today we're going to take a look at the market and see is it still a good time to invest. We're going to take a look at these good coins that have had really big all-time highs and see if they can get back there again. We're going to see, is this a long-term or short-term holders market? And those are some of the things we're going to go over. And before we do that, guys, make sure you guys like and subscribe my videos. If you're new to cryptocurrency or you're just an investor and you've been into this for a while, I do news videos every day on Ripple, LITECOIN, and just all different types of coins to give you guys news updates. And I do giveaway videos. I just did a giveaway in my last video. You know, I do it at the end of the week. So just all the videos that I post, like for right now, I'm giving away Ripple. So put your Ripple address in the comments and you'll have a chance to win some Ripple. And start that conversation, guys, and down in the bottom of my comments. Make sure you guys, if I'm going to do a giveaway to Ripple, make sure you guys write like a thoughtful comment on the video. On this one, we're going to talk about some altcoins and show where the market is. And so getting into the market right now, guys, it's about, we look on CoinMarketCap, we still are looking about 50 to 60% down on the market right now. It's not come back completely. There's a lot of green. It's about an ocean of green right now. Looking at the whole thing, there's barely any red. Like looking at it right now, like this looks like these on these top 100 coins, like Steam, Ardor, Stratus, Decentralized. There's still like a lot of them aren't like that red right now, but the thing is, during the morning, we're seeing a lot more green, and then it gets red at night. So a lot of people are selling off by night, and it's just a better time to buy for swing traders. But this really isn't a swing traders market because a lot of these coins that are down right now are going to see a lot more gains in the future because right now the market cap is at $620 billion. We've seen it up to 850 before. If we look at like some of the global charts, I'll just show you guys. For anyone new watching this right now, just kind of take a look at right now in the last 3 months when we've seen a huge rise. We've seen the market cap at, there's 819, 829, was about 829 right there. I think it'll go back up to like 850. Then we saw a huge downturn and it got down to 428. And now it's back up to 613, guys. It's still not all the way back. And what that means is a lot of these cryptocurrencies out there have not gone back up. There's just still a lot of potential. A lot of these all-time highs haven't been hit again. A lot of people are scared, worrying about the coins. But what you got to do is you got to look at the all-time highs and see, you know, has that coin reached a high spot in the future? Can it get back to this spot again? So we're going to take a look at some coins and basically we're going to show exactly what's going on. And I'm going to show you guys how the market is still down overall right now. And so we'll just take a look at it and see what's going on. Because I think about 850 billion to about 1 trillion is where we're going to start seeing the market bounce back up. And then once that bounces back up, we're going to see a lot more activity going on in the market, in the marketplace itself. So just like keep that in mind. And let's just take a look right now. I think a lot of these coins you should hold till December, but let's take a look at, say, Bitcoin right here. Bitcoin is a good one. I mean, it's 12,764. It was 20,000 not that long ago. That's like, that's a good one where you can make, you can probably make 1x profit, 2x profit, just by this one going up. Bitcoin, it would have went down to 9,000. It was down to 9,000 this week, so that was pretty good. We got ETHEREUM, which is smart contracts, guys, renewable money. I mean, it's 1,141. I think the all-time high was 1,400. We got Ripple, that was about $1.55 with the all-time high of 380. So there's a lot of potential there to hit that all-time high again. Looking at some more of them, we got LITECOIN. Let's take a look at LITECOIN real quick. I really believe in LITECOIN because there's like LitePay debit cards coming out, and there's a lot of things. There's a lot of like favorable news happening. So I think LITECOINs could start, like, if they start making like BitPay and you can just exchange LITECOIN instead. I'm actually mining LITECOIN on some of these ones, and I'm doing Bitcoin mining too, but I'm doing that with Genesis mining. And let's just look at some of the highs that LITECOINs hit. I mean, if they hit like 500, look at this right here, guys. This is 300. I think LITECOIN will hit 500. Right now it's at 357. The market cap was 18 billion. I mean, it's still got a lot. It's only at $211 right now, or $206. There's still a lot of room to grow. Some other ones, when you're looking at these coins, guys, look at coins with a good utility, a good team behind them. Do they have good news, and are they useful? Once once coins go over, get $1 billion into them, then they have to have a good utility and a good community around them, and there's got to be updates happening all the time. If that's not happening, then you're not going to see them get much higher than $1 billion infused in them. So, I mean, that's just something to look out for. Let's start looking at some coins right now. We'll look at Neblio. Okay, we'll take a look at Neblio right now. Neblio is $30 USD, and this one had a high of $60, guys. I think if you look right here, maybe it'll show it here. It says 42.58. So Neblio is actually a really good one for anyone new to the site. I made a video on Neblio not that long ago. I really believe in Neblio because it's open source blockchain solution for businesses. We design and develop products and services to drive the blockchain network. It's decentralized. There's a lot of good things on this. It was up to 60. I think, if it's 30, if it's 30 right now, then we can definitely see a 2x gain in the second quarter, probably of as soon as our market cap goes back up to about 18 or about 850 billion dollars. I think that's when we're going to see Neblio have a strong rise. The other one with Bitcoin Cash, guys, I just want to show you a little bit on that because Bitcoin Cash is also getting used by BITCLUB now. It's the one I promote in the mining, and they're going to start paying only in Bitcoin Cash. We know that Bitcoin Cash is used on a lot of other networks. BitPay is starting to accept it. Like with Coinbase, these other ones, we'll start seeing like a lot of cards and a lot of debit cards and things coming out using Bitcoin Cash, and people are going to want to start using this instead of Bitcoin because Bitcoin's going to be so expensive to send transactions. Everyone's getting hit with like the biggest fees ever to do it, and so I definitely believe in Bitcoin Cash. Let's take a look at another one. Zcash. This is a good one, guys. I'm going to show you the site. They actually mined this one on one of the. These are all coins that I believe in that I'm showing you right now that could rise. And then I'm going to show you some sleeper coins that are on the top 200 that I think could definitely come up too. But here's Zcash. Zcash had an all-time high of 920, I believe, and I think it's like 541. Yeah, 545 right now. So I mean, there's a lot of potential to go back up to that too, guys. When we see the market cap hit. Let's see what the market cap was right here. Look at $2 billion in market cap right there. So yeah, this one's pretty good. Let's take a look at the website. I want to show you guys. These are, for anyone new watching, I'm just going to kind of, and if you already know what these are, we're just going to kind of go over some right now and show you guys some good ones. Internet money. Bitcoin is the most cryptocurrencies expose your entire payment history in public. Zcash is the first open, permissionless cryptocurrency that can fully protect your privacy transaction using zero cryptography, so it's super anonymous. You can mine it on BitClub network, on the GPU mining. I mean, there's a lot of good benefits to this one. You guys want to, whatever you do, whenever you guys look at the markets, guys, when you want to buy on the dips, like you can see right here. You want to buy when it's dipping down here. You don't want to buy when it's rising back up. But a lot of these are still down right now, 50 to 60%. So that's why I'm showing you. Like, I want to kind of give you an idea of what the all-time highs were and show you the where it is right now and where it could be, and based on the utility and what it does, we'll kind of get an idea of if it's going to be a good coin. Another one I want to look at is Dragon Chain. I think this one's good. And Dragon Chain, I think, was $5. It reached an all-time high of $5, and now it is 308 or 316 right here. So I mean, there's a lot of potential in here. What is Dragon Chain? Well, let's take a look at it, guys. There's a lot going on with like the Disney. I think this one's the Disney network. Be a part of the most secure, flexible, and business-ready blockchain platform and ecosystem. Unlike platforms, Dragon Chain, you retain control of your data, sensitive logic, and smart contract functionality. They have a whole roadmap here. I know they have a great team behind them. If you look at their team, it's a bunch of people from Disney. Okay, hold on. Ellen is a founder of Dragon Chain. She's worked at Walt Disney. They just have, they have a good team behind them. You always want to look at the team and the money into it. And if Dragon Chain, guys, has reached $5, that's pretty good. All right, let's move on. I'm going to kind of get through some coins here to show you guys. Here's Salt. This is another good one. Salt is, I think it reached an all-time high of $17.30, and now it is $9.41. So, I mean, you could potentially make 2x profit when the market bounces back up. Salt's a good one, guys. Let's take a look at their website. We always want to make sure it's a good utility. So for you people watching right now, make sure your coins are a good utility. Hold your assets, get your cash. Salt lets you leverage your blockchain assets to secure cash loans. We make it easy to get money without having to sell your favorite investments. So you can watch this video and you guys can look on this later. But that's Salt, and it was $17, guys. So that could be a definitely good one right there. There's a lot of hype around Electronium right now. So let's go over Electronium. Electronium was at a high of 19 cents, guys, and now it is at 15. Why do I think Electronium will be good? Well, let's take a look at their website. Electronium is the mobile cryptocurrency. You can even mobile mine on here. You can do mobile mining, supposedly. That's something I'm thinking that might be huge. If you can mine from your smartphone, I heard they're coming out with that. That might be one really big thing. They also, there's a lot of good partners. There's a lot of hype around it. Their token sales, one of the largest token sales by use of numbers. I think they had our token sale reached 40 million market cap, making it one of the most successful tokens to date, like an ICO. The easiest cryptocurrency to manage. Cryptocurrencies are so hard to come by. The barrier to entry for most people is too large. Complex software, mining rigs, personal data. Electron makes it easy. Basically makes it easy to access, and you're going to be able to do it on your smartphone, guys. So that's what I heard. That's what I heard. Super secure, unhackable offline. I think there's a lot of potential in Electronium. Don't quote me, but at 15 cents, this could be a good buy. I mean, if this shoots up to like $1 or something, you could possibly, 5, 6, 7x your money with Electronium. I think the technology is good. I'm a believer in it, so I support Electronium. All right, let's move on again. Let's go to ARK is another one I wanted to look at. I'm just showing you guys where these could be, because when the market jumps back up, we're going to see these all-time highs again. ARK right now is $7.33. It's been at $10.25 at an all-time high. And if we look at the website, we'll kind of just see what they're doing on here. Let's wait for it to load. You always want to go on their websites and do your own research, guys. I'm not a financial advisor. I just research a lot of these and kind of go, and I'm just trying to show you based on, the facts and what's going on. So ARK provides users and developers and startups with innovative blockchain technologies. We aim to create an entire system linked to virtual, spider, web, and endless use cases to make ARK highly flexible, adaptable, and scalable. Tired of scaling endlessly your wallet waiting for your transactions to clear? With an 8-second block time, ARK is one of the fastest in the industry. So it's got a good technology behind it. You guys can read up more on that yourselves. Let's look at KuCoin. We know that some things are going on with KuCoin. They were trying to get, I think, Tron on there right now. So if Tron joins them, I mean, that was good. There's a lot of hype around KuCoin. They're trying to add more currencies, and so there could be some big gains here. It's I think the high of the KuCoin itself, their coin was $21.14, and now it's at $10.99. So I mean, so when the market goes back up, that's another 2x gain right there. So that could be good. You guys can look at their website here if you want to buy some coins. It's KuCoin. I just actually signed up for this the other day because I wanted to buy some. I wanted to see if they had Tron, but they didn't. And then I saw there was like a petition to get them on there. So here's they have an exchange, guys, and a coin. You guys can take a look at that. Let's keep going because I have a whole list of coins I want to go over. I'm going to go over Tron a little bit too, but first we're going to go over Binance coin. So Binance hit a high of $24.70, and right now it's $15.51. So will it go back up there? Binance is a huge exchange, guys. I use Binance a lot. It is, I think they weren't accepting contracts for a while, but because they had too many people signing up for them. But this is a really easy to use exchange and low fees. So this and Cryptopia on Bittrex are my favorite ones to use. So I definitely recommend Binance, guys. If that goes up, you'll make a little bit of a gain. It's already kind of up though, so not too much right there, but we could see some good profits. I'll get more into the news I'll get more videos on news of other ones, guys, but these are just coins I want you to see and where they could go. Tron had a high of like $5.53, and now it's at $2.94. We could see IOTA did, so this could be like 3x possibly. I know like they're trying to do like really fast payments, and I guess like it's not with a blockchain. They're all kind of like it's a third generation cryptocurrency. Scalable, decentralized, no fees. There was a lot of hype around it for a while, but now it's kind of kind of died down a little bit. But I think when the market bounces back, this could be another coin that could definitely see another 3x gains. If that hits like $7 or $8 or something big, and everyone starts using IOTA for payments. I mean, in less fees. I mean, that could be huge. I always thought IOTA was pretty good. Okay, let's take a deeper look at Tron TRX. We saw a high of Tron of 30 cents, guys. And right now it's at 8 cents. you will see a 3x gain on this. I would put a lot of money on Tron. I mean, I'm holding like 500 worth of Tron right now in USD. So, I mean, I really, really do believe in Tron. I think it could go a lot of places. KuCoins is listing it. There's what Tron does, guys. It does game. They're making games that read in English, Japan, and Korea, and they're launching that on the 22nd. They have they're doing a coin burn on, I think it's at March 31st, and that coin burn is going to basically limit their supply, which is going to grow the demand and make the price higher. So Tron's going to go up. They're also making this game where dogs breed. It's kind of like CryptoKitties, and when they breed, they have a puppy, and that puppy like has it basically gives you Tron tokens. So that's kind of cool. Basically, I think this could hit 50 cents in Q2 easily. I've seen price predictions for that. You got to give this one about 10 weeks, guys. The top 4 cryptos, they all, like, Fortune 500's talking about this. We got Justin Sun. He's, like, really active on Twitter. He says they're going to space. Maybe that's SpaceX or Tesla. I don't know. So mid-April, we could see $1 to $2 on this. I think Tron, if it goes up $1 to $2, everyone that got in here, it could become a top 4 cryptocurrency. It could be just like a Ripple or anything. I have a lot of, I really like Tron, guys. You can go on the website if you want to look at it here. I'll just read a little bit about it, but there's a lot of good things to be said about Tron. And let's just go over this real quick because I want to get through all these coins. Okay, we're not going to read anything in Japanese, but you guys get the point. Tron is on a lot of exchanges, but it's not on KuCoin or Cryptopia yet. You know, Justin Sun, like he hypes it up a lot. It's got a lot of hypes. I think there was a hedge fund that put money into it. There's tons of good employees. There's 3 to 4 things of news in the works that they keep talking about. We could see some serious gains on this, guys. You know, it's not far off to see another 30% Tron easily when the market bounce up. And if it hits that 1 to 2 that in Q2 a $1 to $2 or 50 cent $1 to $2 mark, we could see some serious gains here. That's a really good one to keep an eye on, guys. Let's look at Verge. So I want to look at Verge while we're here. That's another good one. I just got a list of ones I want to look at that I really like. So Verge right now is 12 cents. Market cap is $1,899,000,000. Looks like they got a $16 billion supply. If you guys look on their website, I was kind of on here earlier looking around. Secure, anonymous, private. Their mission statement is to empower people around the world to bring blockchain transactions into everyday life, make it possible for direct transactions quickly, efficiently, and privately. Yeah, so I mean, this is Verge. There's a lot of hype around Verge. Verge was, I think the all-time high was 28 cents, and now it's around 10. It's 10 cents right now. So I mean, we could definitely see another 2x gain on this one when the market bounces back. I haven't done enough research to see how far it can go, but I think that one could do good. That's an all-time high. That is definitely really good. We can see Wax is another good one. Wax is $1.13 right now. It was $2.76 at an all-time high. Let's look on their website. You guys can see it's safe, secure, fast, global, decentralized marketplace for virtual assets. You know, a lot of people love these virtual assets that like VR, different things. Like there's all different kinds of things to talk about. This Wax is a decentralized platform that allows virtual market. It's basically a virtual marketplace with zero investment in security infrastructure, developed by OP Skins, the world's leading marketplace for online video game assets. Anything with games and stuff is a really good idea, guys. It's just a good investment. We know games in the marketplace, and those people selling skins for video games online, like World of Warcraft and all these other ones, I mean, they will love to have a blockchain that'll save them time and money and stuff like that. So I think, you know, if it was that one could easily hit like $5 or something too. I think, yeah, that one is a good one. At $1.13 right now. Even if it goes when the market bounces back, because it's still, remember, even though it's in the green right now, guys, it's still 50 to 60% down. Things are still half off. You know, Wax could definitely be a good one if it jumps back up to about $3. You know, you could see a 2x, you could see a 2-3x gain just from the market bouncing back. And with the with the mobile gaming and stuff, I think that one has potential for the future. Okay, here's another one called Funfair. Let's take a look at that one. 11 cents. Dun, dun, dun. And the Funfair was 19 cents at its high. Forgot what Funfair did. We'll take a look at this one again, but I remember this one was pretty good. Harnessing the power of blockchain technology to revolutionize the online casino industry. We all know online gaming's huge, so you know that one might be good at 19. You know, at 11 cents, it's not bad. Okay, so let's take a look. We all know Ripple. Ripple is a good one. It's been 380. So I mean, I do mad videos on Ripple, so you guys should definitely invest in Ripple. I mean, I'm doing Ripple giveaways all the time because I really believe in it. Here, MetaBlock. This one's good. It's been doing good lately. 11 cents, and I think the all-time high for MetaBlock was 32 cents, I believe. And checking on their website, let's just see if there's any good things. Healthcare experience reinvented. Take back your healthcare information. It's a decentralized healthcare information ecosystem built on blockchain technology for patients, healthcare providers, and researchers. We know that healthcare is a huge industry. You know, if they all start accepting blockchain and our whole world starts moving away from the fiat money system and getting away from the banking institutions that enslave the whole world, then healthcare using blockchain would be the solution. You could definitely probably see some stuff on there with our MetaBlock with 32. You know, at 32 it was 11 cents and it was 32, so there's a 2x gain right there just by doing that. Another one is Waves. It was a kind of a good one. Let's check out Waves. Waves was it's $9.37 right now, and Waves was 17, guys. So Waves is another cool one. Let's see. I don't even think their website's updated on here. We'll see. Yeah, there it is. Okay, here's Waves. Let's take a look. And Waves become the fastest growing area of crypto world, create multiple currency wallets, and invest in verified crypto assets and underlying Waves platform token. So here you go. Gain access to Waves platform solutions, storing, trading, managing, and issuing digital assets easily and securely. So that's kind of cool. So I'm gonna get into these ones that aren't the top 200 in a minute, guys. I just want to go over these top ones real quick, and I'm gonna kind of tell you how cool they are. So just stay tuned, and we're just gonna take a look at the all-time highs in Substratum. Here's another good one you guys want to look at. Substratum was $3. I think it was $3.10 at its all-time high, and it's about $1.50 right now. We are a foundation of decentralized web. Substratum is open source that allows anyone to allocate spare computing resources to make the internet free and a fair place. So basically, you can allocate some of your computing power, like on your laptop. You can go in the settings, and then they're going to give you tokens for that. So then it creates their own blockchain like network from that. So that's pretty cool. I think that's a cool currency. And at $1.55, we can see that one go up a lot. The next one I want to check out is QuantStamp, and then I'm going to go into my these top 5 ones that are not on the top 100 that can potentially be billion-dollar market caps. So QuantStamp, here's a good one. There's a lot going on with this. QuantStamp was, yeah, I think it's 49 cents right now, but it's 49 cents right now, or 50 cents right now, but it was 75 cents. And if you look on their website, like my friend bought a lot of these, and he made a lot of money from this on their ICO when they first came out. But it's the first smart contract security auditing protocol. There's a lot of this going on right now, but this is definitely a good one designed to secure smart contracts cost effectively in a scalable manner. So QuantStamp is a good one to look out for, guys. And the next one I want to get into, that's the these are the ones right now that have good potential that I think that could possibly 2-3x. We can see like huge gains on these ones this year. This is Vibe, guys, and Vibe is VR and gaming. And right now, Vibe is at $1.32, but it's been up to $2.59. It's basically they do VR, gaming, live concerts, augmented reality. Basically, you can change. You know what augmented reality is? It's when you change the reality around you. Example, like when you're doing when you're putting on glasses or you use your smartphone. It's kind of the difference between VR is you put on the headset. So they're doing both those. They're gonna have a Super Bowl commercial, I guess, with like Monster, which is pretty big. And they have a small market cap right now, which is, yeah, $230 billion. So that basically means, and they have a small supply, which is 260 million. They're not in the billions. So that can mean we can definitely hit a $3 possible in probably in Q2. I know they have like some Oculus, they're doing deals with Oculus Rift and VR and PlayStation. So this one will definitely, I think, will go up to $2 when the market bounces back. We'll probably see like 3 or 4 maybe this year. This one's a really good one. So keep an eye on this one, guys. Next one is Storm. This is another good one. You guys heard it here first. Storm is about, I think it was up to 23 cents, and now it's about 8 cents. If you look right here, Storm is at, yeah, you can kind of see it on here, but if you look, but yeah, 23 cents. But it was at 23 cents, and now it's about, yeah, I think it is 8 cents. But it's mobile gaming. And what else does it do? It basically has like a big, I think they have like a big supply, or yeah, 10 billion. They have a low market cap, big supply. They're mobile gaming. It's the mobile gaming market, guys, where people sell stuff on there. I think this one at 7 cents could 3x to 5x. It could be $1 billion market cap. Right now we're at 179 million. I think this one will go up. I think Storm and this one will definitely go up to $1 billion market cap. And it could basically, it's a good utility. It has a lot of hype around it. The utility keeps things going, guys. But hype definitely, well, basically utility keeps it stable. Hype keeps it going. It keeps things going. So I mean, I think that one will be good. That's a good one. And then we're gonna look at Decentralized. This is another one that I think could be $1 billion market cap. And it's basically games you build and create, like Second Life. And it's kind of role playing where you're in this virtual world, and it could be like $1 million. I think it could hit $1 billion in market cap. It was I think it was 28 cents at its highest, and now it's about 14 cents, which is pretty good. And so this one has a lot of potential, guys, with Decentraland. It's like it's just a role playing game, but everyone knows that gaming and Second Life and The Sims, all these ones are just huge. People love buying things on game. They love buying and building and creating their own worlds. So this is definitely one to watch out. We've seen a lot of gains on this one. You guys can look at the market on that one. Other one is Poet. So what is Poet, guys? This helps entertainers. It's monetizing their content, their license, blockchain, trademarks, any content. It's they basically get to trademark their content and license their like videos and stuff through like a blockchain, I believe. And I think it was 26 cents, and now it's 12 cents. So we can definitely see this one 3-4x, guys. $1 billion. I'm going to say $1 billion market cap. It's a great utility. This is a long-term hold too, just like all the other coins I've showed you. They're all good long-term holds. So 2018, this thing, I think like the market cap could definitely be in 2018. The market cap could hit I think at the end of 2018 it'll hit like $2 trillion or more. So with the market cap 50 to 60% down. When this thing goes back up to 850 billion or 850 billion to 1 trillion, we could see this thing 3x again. So you can definitely if you put money in Poet, I think this would be good because it's helping out entertainers. It's just a great utility. We're always looking for great utilities. Okay, and for the last one, guys, we're gonna look at Bread, and then I'm gonna go do something tonight because it's getting kind of late. So Bread is basically, I think it's like a mobile wallet. And I actually don't use this one yet, but I've heard about it. And Bread is a simple, secure Bitcoin wallet. I guess they're going to start adding a lot of currencies. They released it around Christmas Eve. And I think right now it's selling for, it was at $350 and now it's $175. So this one, as they add more currencies, this one's going to get better. It's mobile, it's secure. You have like a 20-word phrase in here that you get to enter, so your things are really secure. If you lose your phone or something, you can always like back it up. I think this one's gonna hit $1 billion. It's already, I think it's in the top 200 right now. So Bread's a good one to look at. And yeah, that's about it, guys. I'm gonna end this video, but just make sure if you guys like this video, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. If you want to win giveaways, put your Ripple address because the next 2 videos I'm doing, I'm gonna give some Ripple away. Make sure you put that address on the comments, like and subscribe, and I hope you guys all have a wonderful weekend. I'm going to end it with the song right here. Peace. Happy trainings too.